Michael Jaafar is still with us. Michael, before we were talking about the bench trial versus the jury trial, you were mentioning efficiency. You said in this case that's not why they had a bench trial. Can you expound on that a little bit as to what you believe the reason was for Jose Ibarra choosing a bench trial?
Yeah, it was very clear. Not to be too overly political, but the political climate this month in Georgia was the sort of political climate that would have the defense attorneys believed that it would have been more difficult for him to get an acquittal with a jury of Canton people living in the Canton area as opposed to just a bench trial having the judge. It was highly politicized, this exact incident, and so they just figured, you know what, we're not going to get a fair shake with the jury. We have a better shot with a jury, with a trier effect of one, a judge who's going to focus on the law, focus on the evidence, whereas jurors, we know, tend towards the inflammatory. There was too many inflammatory pieces of evidence in this case. The murder itself was inflammatory. The fact that he was a Venezuelan illegal alien, all of that was too inflammatory. The defense believed that they had a better shot with a judge as opposed to a jury. Not to get political, but that's, you know, I was not in the room, but if I was in the room, I think that's what the conversation and the discussion was.
And then made that decision on Tuesday. They let the prosecution know they wanted to do the bench trial instead of the jury trial.